Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US 2-year note auction will be released at 17 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 9 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence adjusted at 4:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks suffered steep losses as US President Donald Trump ramped up his attacks on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, prompting investors to worry about the central bank's independence, even as they grapple with the effects of Trump's ongoing erratic trade war. Japanese investment firm Metaplanet increased its Bitcoin holdings to more than $400 million after its latest purchase. Metaplanet acquired 330 Bitcoin for $28.2 million at an average price of $85,605 per BTC, bringing its total holdings to $414 million. Boeing has secured new stocks of specialized nuts and bolts that hold together its top-selling commercial jet, avoiding for now any slowdown in US plane production due to a fire at a key supplier's factory.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.